Sir, I would like to say a few words about the changes made by the Joint Select Committee in the bill as originally introduced. These changes related mainly to the development and regulation of interstate transport, period of validity of permits for operation of transport vehicles, payment of compensation to operators in case of nationalization, and some other matters. I am glad to say that the committee, realizing the need for developing and expanding transport facilities in the country, proceeded to make changes so as to produce the desired result. The committee felt that the development of the interstate transport is not such as can be taken care of solely by the state governments, as was the case hitherto, and the time has come for the central government to step in and take powers to develop, coordinate and regulate the operation of transport vehicles in respect of areas or routes common to two or more states. They accordingly endorsed the principle contained in Clause 57 for setting up a central authority for this purpose, but considered that instead of two separate authorities as proposed in the original bill, there need be only one, namely the Interstate Transport Commission, which should have powers to associate itself representatives of the concerned state governments as and when considered necessary. This is a distinct improvement over the previous arrangement envisaged in the bill. The committee also amended Clause 52 and decided to remove the mileage restrictions for grant of public carriers permits between places connected by railways. This will give greater freedom of movement of vehicles for interstate operation. As regards the operation of validity of a permit, the Commission was generally of the opinion that the prices of vehicles had gone up. The operators needed security of business if they were to invest large amounts of money for providing transport facilities to the general public. One method of ensuring this, it was thought, would be by increasing the period of validity of permits, and another by training the present provision of giving preference to applications for renewal of permits over new applications. Clause 50 of the bill was accordingly amended so that a permit for a stage carriage shall be effective without renewal for a period of 3 to 5 years, and a public or private carrier's permit will be effective for a period of 5 years.